What's up, YouTube? Finally, for the first time in a week and a half, made it out to the garage briefly. I've been not out here for so long. I got a chipmunk that moved in while I was away, so that'll be fun to chase and hunt down, but we'll get the dogs out here at some point and they'll do their job and drive that thing out of here, and hopefully that'll keep them away. If not, we'll deal with that later. Soft cell is exactly where it left. It's turned into a nice little workbench shelf of paperwork. And still haven't dug the foot bag out of the trailer. So I got a buddy of mine that's coming out later to the new shop that wanted some rockers that I might have there, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time to dig through those yet. But got Frankenstein out. Hasn't been touched, looked at, or thought about since. So I want to try and fire this up and run this over to the new shop. I got the Evo Sporty over there. Oh crap, I left the gas on. Interesting. Hopefully that doesn't cause too many issues. Oh well, let's see if this thing will fire up. I'm not optimistic today. Here. Well, the flip's working at least, so that's good. Ooh, spinning it. Playing chopper games last week and forgot all about how terrible this bike was to kick. Sliding down the driveway here. Grab a board. She's not doing anything. Something. Shit, I left that gas on. This is all filled up with oil. That's not good. We're gonna have to do a fluid change on this at some point. I don't know if that's showing up. That's what happens when you leave your petcock on, folks. Look at how thin this oil is. Yeah. Alright, I don't think I'm going to ride this until I get that swapped out. My bad. Not perfect, make mistakes, but this is good water. That's a couple kicks just from something. So that crankcase is filled, which means this is going to sit until I drain the oil. Fluid change on this before we do anything else. I'm not going to sit here trying to fire that up, because with how thin that oil is, gas and oil will clean off all the, or the gas will clean off all the bearing surfaces with the oil, which is supposed to lubricate in between those bearings and mating surfaces. So this is not moving. Look at that, I'm being responsible and not saying F it. Bummer. So what do I move over there now? Do I take the Super Glide over there? No, I think the bagger. Or the chopper. We'll see. I'll figure out what I'm doing and let you guys know in a minute. Okay. Just topping this thing off. Some fresh oil. This is far from perfect, but should get it going good enough. Oh, I wish I had a bigger funnel that would reach to this little slot in the frame. Straight 60 weight. Summer now. Ish. Made a mess already. Spilled all over the whole bike. Whatever. Made a mess of the driveway. Okay, let me let this drain because it's gonna take a minute. Then we'll fire it up. Okay, let's try this again. If this does start, it's gonna kill the mic because I don't have any mics on, so wish me luck. The other shop. Wall's done. Oh no, the chopper people arrived.
They're just tips. I thought that was, I thought it was like mounted there.
Oh yeah.
They almost look like shuffle flanges.
Yeah, they kind of do. Yeah, they're just tuned up.
I didn't look that closely.
Glad I brought the chopper today. I wouldn't have fit in if I took another one. Why didn't you show how to do that? How did you not do this the right way?
Possibly not being up to code or
Not
something.
being a licensed electrician and safety first.
Hey, it should be,
Or third.
should be succession cords fucking stable to the wall, right? Yeah, I'll get a fucking pan of the group.
But it was just like,
whatever.
it's like the kicker gear. Like
Yeah,
the
she
gears
was,
for the
and
kicker.
that's what I said. I looked at her and I'm like, can we stay here for one more night?
Don't mind me.
And,
So whatever, we'll go back.
but then I kind of scratched the paint and I saw more paint under it. I was like, oh cool. I was like, fuck it. I just fucking blasted them. And I was like,
You know, it's like
If I went to the other side, it was trying to engage the kicker.
so like back and
I have more.
We got outlets. And the wall's gone. And now we're actually hanging out having a good time.
Some of us love family. I do too. I'm trying to get him to wear one. Trying to get you to wear one. So I am.
That's what we got this for. To hang out and have a good time, right?
not in, I know, but I get it at him. Garrett's wife.
I forgot this one doesn't have ejectors.
what? It's like random.
We'll be up, Dan.
Oh.
When you're ready, throw in the pull. Hey, get that gun up.
Leave it up. And look for the target and pull.
Oh, you did it!
You hit it!
Oh, you both hit it.
No, you both hit it. You hit one on your first shot. First time ever shooting a gun.
Don't press that trigger.
Don't pull the trigger, but you gotta cock it.
Cock it.
Come on, you watched the fucking zombie movie once in your life.
Make sure you hit this time hitting.
You tell me.
Okay. It's addiction, Daddy.
Oh, she did get it. She did.
You should get a piece of that one too.
Well done, lover.
Alright, we're done shooting. But now we're on to the fishing part of the evening. Sun's still kind of high up there in the sky. This will be a nice little spot. All the toys out today.
Whenever I finish my shovelhead and sell it, I'm gonna leave a business card.
You've been on Shop 2 time this entire time. I have a full bench of seats if anybody wants to get in there. It's just covered in chopper parts and fishing poles right now.
Inside the walk. No, Morgan.
Somebody hold on to that.
I'll make a review, Dan.
See this?
Alright, we're taking a video back here. Wait, hold on.
Everybody do
Oh no. Oh no. Alright. I'm sitting on beer cans or something. Alright. Alright, John, we're in.
Oh, there's the weed whacker.
It's
Perfectly normal to have a bunch of Harley parts.
I mean, is it not?
I thought you like to wrap underneath one of
Yeah.
John, there's a beer on top of your car.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah. Back up the whole hill.
Alright, Volvo on Volvo action. Let's do it. Oh, no.
Just have snow tires.
Yeah, you're good.
Sucker! Suck my shit!
Don't put her in the pond. Well, I think my butt's getting wet. I think I have a beer to spill on it. Whee! Oh, man.
Dude, Mike, did your ankles drag?
Oh, why was my butt getting wet?
Sure did.
Sure did.
I don't know why I'm
Sure
videotaping
dragged.
this, but